Jai Hind to all. Standard second. Subject EVS Part 2. Chapter 1. My Body. In Part 1, we learned hard words like ORGANS organs, BRAIN brain, HERT heart, TRUNK trunk, LIMBS limbs, FUNCT ION function, ABDOMAN abdomen, KIDNEYS kidneys, SKELETON skeleton, and INTERNAL internal. We also learnt external and internal body parts. For example, EYES eyes, NOSC nose, HED head, ERS ears, MOUTH mouth, NECK neck, HNDS hands, and LEGS legs are our external parts. Now let's learn about internal parts. BRAIN brain, HERT heart, LUNGS lungs, STOMAC stomach, LIVER liver, INTESTINES intestines, and KIDNEYS kidneys. We also learned body parts and their functions. For example, NOSC nose to smell, ERS ears to hear, EYES eyes to see, LEGS legs to walk, HANDS hands to carry things, etc. Now let's learn about the internal parts of the body in detail. First one is the head. The brain is inside the head. The brain works like a computer. It controls all the parts of our body and their functions. It also helps us to learn, think, and remember. Second one, the trunk. The trunk includes the chest and the abdomen. The neck joins the head to the trunk. Again, the neck joins the head to the trunk. And the trunk has parts such as heart, lungs, stomach, liver, intestines, and kidneys inside it. The heart. The heart pumps blood to the different parts of the body. The heart pumps blood to the different parts of the body. It is situated in the space inside the chest. Number 4. The lungs. The chest also has two lungs within. The lungs are in charge of breathing. The lungs are in charge of breathing. Number 5. The stomach, liver, and intestines. The stomach, liver, and intestine are the internal organs of the body that help breaking down the food we eat. These organs are in the space inside the abdomen. Number 6. The kidneys. A small pair of bean-shaped organs called kidneys. A small pair of bean-shaped organs called kidneys help in removing waste matter from the blood. These are also present in the space within the abdomen. Number 7. The limbs. The arms and legs are together. The arms and legs are together called the limbs. The arms are joined to the shoulder. The arms are joined to the shoulder and legs are joined to the hips. Number 8. Bones and muscles. The body is made up of bones and muscles. You can feel your bones and muscles all over the body. You may have seen the picture of skeleton. The skeleton is the frame or hard shell of our body. All bones in the body together make the skeleton. All bones in the body together make the skeleton. The skeleton gives shape to the body and protects the internal parts. Our body moves with the help of muscles. Our body moves with the help of muscles. Muscles are movements like kicking a ball, closing the eyes, and swallowing the food are possible because of your muscles. So, students, what did you learn from this chapter? Okay, let's learn once again. The brain is a soft and internal part of the body situated in the head. The heart is an internal part that pumps blood to the different parts of the body. The stomach, liver, and intestines are internal parts of our body that help in breaking down the food we eat. The body is divided into the head, the trunk, and the limbs. The brain, heart, stomach, lungs, liver, intestines, and kidneys are some internal parts of the body. The body is made up of bones and muscles. The skeleton gives support and shape to the body. It also protects the internal parts of the body. The bones move with the help of muscles. Okay, so thank you.